Hi everyone, in this video we'll try to fix this reel is unavailable in Instagram. So make sure to follow all the steps for us to solve this. Reels are now available in Instagram or even in Facebook. So if you are having problems on how to see or fix an Instagram reel which is not showing, just go to your settings and look for Instagram and make sure that everything is turned on or toggled on to allow Instagram to access. And also you have to check the notifications by tapping it so that you'll be able to see and check if everything is enabled, just like this one. And then if everything is good, now go back to the settings menu and look for general. Just scroll up a bit and tap general, and then just tap iPhone storage. Then look for the Instagram application. So once you see it, just tap on it, and then all you have to do is to tap offload app to clear some cache. Now it is also best for you to delete the app and just reinstall again, but you can also check to your app store whether it is updated or not. So once you checked on your app store, if it needs to be updated, just update your Instagram right away and see the changes on your Instagram account. So for example, this one, my Instagram account needs to be updated. So just tap update and wait and see the changes from your account after updating. So that's it for now. If this helps, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.